All right, guys, I promise this video will be much shorter, okay? So check this out. We're going to go back to Google Classroom, go to the section that says Wednesday, January 20th, and this right here is, this right here is our new assignment for today. Ooh, some of you have already started working on it. Wow, look at you guys. Okay, so anyways, it is more of the same, okay? So if we go over here, and we check out the assignment. Here we go. Loading. Let's open that up. And there we go. Alrighty. Let me make a quick copy of this. There we go, loading. Okay, so anyways, here's our first problem. So it's just like the other Jamboards we've been doing. The first page is a story problem. Page 2 and 3 are going to be naked numbers, okay? So let's go ahead and start off with our first story, okay? Now, a parking lot has 270 parking spaces, okay? So visualize that. You got 270 parking spaces, right? Open Google Earth. Okay, this is the Target that is near my house. That's where I shop. I buy a lot of stuff there whenever I need things for the house. So I'm kind of visualizing this, see? So here's a parking lot, right? With a bunch of parking spaces, okay? So visualize it, right? It's important when you read a story problem. Okay, so anyways, back to the story. A parking lot has 270 parking spaces. Each row has 18 parking spaces. So back to Target. Okay, so if you visualize this, you can see like, okay, I'm kind of looking at, this has way more than 18 spaces, right? So you kind of have to like zoom in a little bit. So you're picturing a parking lot, and the length of the rows are like 18 spaces each, okay? Okay, back to the story again. A parking lot has 270 parking spaces. Each row has 18 parking spaces. How many rows are in this parking lot? Okay, all right. Just like the story problem from the other day, think about the whole, right? Which of these numbers is the whole? Okay, which is the thing that's getting broken up, right? So think about that. Okay. What is the number that we're splitting up into smaller groups, right? That goes here in the division house. Okay. How big are the groups that we're making, right? How big are the groups that we're making, right? That's the divisor. The divisor goes outside. Okay. And then once you have that set up, go ahead and do the same process that we did earlier, okay? If you don't remember how to do it, go back to the other video after class today. Go back to the math homework review and watch that over and watch it again and see how I solved those problems, okay? All right, and you'll use the same strategy with this story. Next page. Next page is even easier because it's actually just already set up for you. You already know what the whole number is. I'm sorry, you already know what the whole is. So here's our whole, and we're making groups of 14. Okay, so you just have to set that up in the division house and then start solving it. Okay, use the partial quotient strategy. All right, next. Last page for the math homework for tonight is 697 divided by 23. Okay, 23, that's my favorite number. Michael Jordan, 23. Okay, anyways, back to this. 697 divided by 23. You already know this is the whole, and we're making groups of 23. So set that up in the division house, right? 697 goes in the division house, 23 goes on the outside. That's the divisor. Okay, that is your homework for your math homework for tonight, and it's due at 9 p.m. Okay, so get that done. If you don't remember how to do this, go back to the math review, the math homework review page and watch that video.